video. I got a lot of questions about how this hair is holding up because a lot of people were interested in this unit and in this hair. This is the hair that I used from Hair Villa when I did the scissor inspired wig, and I got tons of questions about, well, how is it holding up? And I've had this for a long time now. I just wanted to show you a different styling option for the hair and just to let you know how everything is holding up with it. As far as the style, you guys, I just used a curling one. This is the Sapphire from Irresistible Me, and they have several different attachments. This is the size that I use, and I'll have the information in the description box. And I just threw some wand curls in it because I had a feeling it was going to curl beautifully and give me that nice full look, and it did, you guys. The upkeep is really simple. I mean, I wear it, I rock it. When I'm done, I will co-wash it, and then when I want to wear it again, I pull the sucker out. But I love this hair, you guys. This is the Kinky straight hair, Brazilian Kinky straight. And again, this is from Hair Villa, and I'm just bringing you this update because I got tons of questions about this hair. The thing that you're really going to love about it is how full it is, you guys. It films and photographs beautifully, okay? Like a dream, I'm telling you. Let's see, it's still very soft, still very manageable. It's not knotty or anything like that. I haven't had any problems with shedding, tangling. Hair Villa is definitely one of the better hair companies. So yeah, I mean, if you have any specific questions, let me know, but the hair is holding up beautifully like I thought it would. I thought, like, when I first received the hair, I was like, oh, this is gonna be good. Big shout out to Hair Villa for providing such quality. I always appreciate quality with affordable prices, you guys. I'm a big stickler on that because I'm probably not like the normal hair reviewer on YouTube. I do not believe in wasting your ducats on hair. I'm sorry, I just do not. That's just my opinion. So that's why I like to bring you companies that are not only high quality but affordable. You know what I mean? Just because, you know, we got bills and stuff, you know. Do you, honey, by all means. If you want to spend every last penny you have on hair, do that if that's what you want to do. But I don't choose to do that. So I'm not going to co-sign on it because I can't do that in good faith, okay? The quality plus the affordability makes this one of the top hair companies, in my opinion. And their customer service is awesome. Customer service is always awesome with Hair Villa. So I don't have any complaints. I have no complaints about this hair. None. No complaints. Zero. Goose egg. Nothing. Which look do you like better? Do you like the first look that I did for the scissor inspired unit, or are you liking the wand curls? Let me know down below, and just stay tuned to my social media, guys. I'm always doing stuff, and in the meantime, I wish you all peace, love, and light, baby. Bye bye.